Hi, my name is Nicole and I'm a women's health registered nurse. I fell in love with women's health while in nursing school and have been involved with this career path ever since. I worked in postpartum for 1 year, taking care of new moms and babies, and then moved to labor and delivery where I have now been for 5 years. I also work as a remote nurse caring for women throughout their pregnancy. Prenatal care is so important due to the information that is gained during these visits with your provider. During prenatal care visits, education is provided along with a variety of tests and procedures to ensure that both you and baby are healthy throughout the pregnancy. Prenatal care can reduce the risk of pregnancy complications along with making sure you are on a safe pregnancy pathway. Following a healthy, well-balanced diet and maintaining proper exercise routine is fundamental during pregnancy, which benefits both you and baby. Also, by completing ultrasounds and blood work, baby is being closely watched for any abnormalities as well. The prevalence of preterm birth and intrauterine fetal growth restriction during pregnancy can be common among women who do not seek prenatal care during their first trimester. It is important to begin prenatal care the moment you find out you are pregnant to ensure the proper safety of both you and baby. Thank you, and I look forward to this semester with you all.